Hello students, in this video we are going to see the examples on the class diagram. So based on the descriptions you have to convert that descriptions into the class diagram. So question is, draw a class diagram for the given descriptions with the appropriate relationships, relationship name and the multiplicity. A person owns the multiple document. Each document is composed of paragraphs that are in turn composed of characters. The copy operation propagates from document to paragraph to character. Copying a paragraph copies all the characters in it. The operation does not propagate in a reverse direction. A paragraph can be copied without copying the whole document. So this type of description is given, and what you have to do, you have to convert these descriptions into the class diagram. Okay, so the solution is, here you can see the solution. So in example they have told that a person owns the multiple document. Okay, so from this statement we have identified that there are the two classes, person and the document. Okay, so person class is there and document class is there. Again, each document is composed of paragraphs. So from this we have identified the paragraph class is there. So again third class, paragraph class is there. Again the paragraph are composed of the character. So based on these descriptions we have identified that four classes are there: person, document, paragraph and character. Okay, so after that they have told that each document is composed, person owns the multiple document. Okay, so one person owns the multiple document. Okay, so for that we are adding this: one person owns the one or multiple documents. Okay, so for this type of descriptions, so this type of description is for adding the multiplicity. One person owns the one or many documents. So owns is the association name between these two classes I have used. Okay, after that each document is composed of paragraphs. Okay, so each document, so document is composed of paragraphs. So these two classes we used. Okay, so for composition we have used this composition symbol. Okay, so without document, or if you destroy this document, the paragraph is automatically destroyed. That's why we have using this strong type of association, composed relationship. Again, each document is composed of paragraphs that are in turn composed of character. Again, paragraph is composed of multiple characters. Okay, so paragraph is composed of multiple character. That means one paragraph have the one or more characters. Okay, so this type of multiplicities we are using, and again we are using this copy is the association name between these two. So the copy operation propagates from document to paragraphs to character. That means this copy type of operation is propagated from this document to paragraph and from this paragraph to the characters. Okay, so copying a paragraph copies all characters in it. The operation does not propagate in the reverse direction. So for that we are using the direction symbol. Okay, here I am not able to add this propagation symbol or the direction. Okay, so I have added this into this diagram. So this diagram is here you can see the propagation, the direction of propagation is added here, this type of direction. That means this copy from document to paragraph and from paragraph to character, you can see the direction of this propagation in this diagram. Okay, so likewise you can convert the description, okay, the descriptions into the class diagram. Okay, so when to use this composition, when to use aggregation, based on these descriptions we have added that type of relationship into the diagram. Okay, so likewise you can draw the class diagram based on the descriptions. Okay. Thank you.